Hey guys, Masha here from Masha Plans and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something back to school themed. These are some stationery doodles which you can use in your study notes, in your school journal, or if you want to do a back to school theme for your September bullet journal setup, these would also be useful. In this video, there are around 14 different stationery items, but I do have a blog post with more step-by-step tutorials. They are a little bit different from what you see in this video. I will link it below, so make sure to check that out. As with all of my Doodle with me videos, I do everything directly in pen here. But I always recommend to actually do the doodles in pencil first. Even though it takes a little bit more time, the end result is usually better, especially if you are a beginner. For my doodles, which I do in my bullet journal, if they are a little bit more complicated, I always draw them in pencil first. And here's the example. I am drawing a washi tape, and because it's circles and I had to work a little bit with the perspective, I kind of went and did the sketch in pencil first. I'm really sorry about that cut on the calendar doodle. I honestly just didn't notice that my camera ran out of battery. But I hope it's still kind of clear how to draw this one. I created a step-by-step tutorial for this calendar doodle in the blog post, so you can find it in the description. And now that I'm finally done with the outlining all the doodles, it's time for the best part, aka coloring. I use, of course, my favorite zebra mud liners for the colors, and of course all the supplies I use will be linked below. If you want to learn how to doodle a bunch of different stuff, I have a Doodle with me playlist, so be sure to check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!